Candidates running to be Maryland's next governor is outlining a plan to address sexual harassment in government, businesses, and schools.
Certainly been a big story in Hollywood and in Washington. Part of Krish Vignaraj's proposal includes creating Maryland's first ever Office of Sexual Harassment and Violence. There would be 4 components of that office to incentivize companies to audit sexual harassment among its employees. It would create a hotline for victims, conduct a state government-wide sexual harassment audit, and help law enforcement end the backlog of rape kits around the state. Vignaraj is one of the Democrats running to replace Republican Governor Larry Hogan. She says she is a survivor of sexual assault. She said the courage of others who came forward during the recent Me Too social media campaign inspired her to act. Me Too started not long after several Hollywood icons were accused of sexual harassment, including Harvey Weinstein, the movie producer, Kevin Spacey, Louis C.K., many others since then.